Hello everyone. In the previous video we had explored how to hack into victims' phone using Android Metadata reverse TCP, also backdooring almost any Android application available on Play Store or elsewhere. Now let's learn how to protect ourselves or defend ourselves from such attacks in future. Do we actually read the list of permissions that Android apps are asking for before we install them? I know most of us treat those permissions like terms and conditions, blindly tapping our way through. But if we actually do, you'd be aware of their reach. Some of our apps can make phone calls, some can track your location, some can read your browsing history, contacts, SMS, photos, calendar, etc. Even share this personal information of yours with third parties without your knowledge. But do they need all these permissions? Absolutely no. It's common sense. Why would a gaming application require permissions for reading a contact list or SMS? It appears like every app developer wants access to much of your phone. But controlling these permissions as a user is possible, and there are apps that make it easier for you to control each single permissions you grant to an app. Let's take a look on how to do it. This is the screenshot of app known as App Ops, which you can use to control the permissions related to every application. Also, in most of the modern phones, they have inbuilt app security application, which you can utilize to control the different permissions required by applications. In most of the cases, if you can control the permissions required by apps, you're pretty much safe. Last but not the least, make sure you have installed updated antivirus for your Android phones, which will protect you from malwares and different apps which steal information or control your phone remotely without your notice. I hope this information will help you to protect yourself from such attacks in future. Thank you for taking the course.